how to find settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these three lines. This one here in the top corner, just click on it. And as you see here you will find settings, just click on it. And now it's easy. Here you can manage your account or chats, notifications or storage and data. Just click on anything you want and you can manage it. And that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.